Welcome to the 5th episode of Sigma Math. Today we are looking at graphs. Ooh, it's Halloween. Ooh, give me a little ghost there or something. Put that in after. Okay, so another name for a graph is a coordinate plane. That's the fancy term. So we're going to talk about a couple things today. First is, what are these lines on the graph? They have special names. Can you think of them? That's right. They're called axes. The one that's horizontal is our x-axis. The one that is vertical, up and down, is our y-axis. Makes sense, right? Within our graph or our coordinate plane, there are 4 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they have a special name. Do you remember what that is?
NANI?
I can't hear you.
NANI?
That's right. Quadrants. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2, 3, and 4. And we write them in Roman numerals in math because we like to be fancy, of course. So I'm going to erase these, but I want to make sure you knew. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that we're done talking about quadrants, let's talk about the origin. Ooh, origin. That is the direct center of our graph. Right in the middle. The origin. It's 0, 0. That's the point. When you write a point on a graph, it is called an ordered pair. An ordered pair is written like this. You have one number for x and one number for y. And then you put the dot. So for example, if I have a number like this, 2, 5. Let's get that 2 in there. There we go. 2, 5. That means I'm going to start at the origin. And since this is positive, I'm going to go 2 to the right. And this is positive, I'm going to go 5 up. And I'll put my point right there. Isn't that so crazy? Anyway, I know what you're thinking. What if it's negative? Well, I've got an answer for you. What if the point is, let's erase this one, and we put, you give me a number. -3, good one. -3, and let's say 2. Sound good? Good. So since this one is negative and it's in our x spot, that means we have to go to the left. Ah, crazy. So we go 3 to the left, but this one is positive. So we still go up. So there's our point. An easy way to remember all of this is I like to write it like this for my students. You have x and y. This one tells you left to right, negative to the left, positive to the right, and this one's up and down. Positive up top, negative down below. I recommend writing that anytime you have to graph. Let's do one more. You ready? Let's erase all of this. Here we go. Let's do a tough one. -5, -7. The board is acting really weird today. Okay, so what does this mean? You got it. 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what does this mean? That's right, 7 down. So we go 7 boxes down from there, and we end up right here at that point. And that's pretty much graphing. I hope that was easy for you, and that's really it. Thanks for stopping by.